Here's a video to show you how to transfer solids and liquids from a reagent container and how to measure mass and volume. Before any experiment is carried out, you must remember some precautionary measures. Remember to wear your goggles and also your lab coat. In this case, an apron would also work. For this procedure, you will be needing a triple beam balance, a graduated cylinder, liquid, which in this situation is colored water, a beaker, a straw, an empty container, for example a beaker, a reagent container with any solid, and in this case sodium chloride, and a steering rod. To transfer solids, you have to use a straw to scoop the sodium chloride from the reagent container. From there, you will transfer it into a new and empty container. To transfer the liquid, or the colored water, you have to use the steering rod to direct the flow of the colored water into the container, in this case, a graduated cylinder. Measure the mass of the solid. You use the triple beam balance. The procedure is as follows. You first have to measure the mass of the container. As you can see, the mass of the container is 41.6 grams. And then after that, transfer the sodium chloride into the container and then measure it again. As you can see, it looked heavier. Now you measure the sodium chloride with the container. Now it got heavier. It is 81.6 grams. After, subtract the mass of the container from the mass of the container plus the sodium chloride. This procedure, however, depends on the type of solid you use. Since we use sodium chloride, which is in the form of grains, we had to put it in a container. If it's a big solid, then you can directly put it on the triple beam balance. To measure the volume of a liquid, direct the flow of the colored water into the graduated cylinder. From there, look at the measurement of the volume. As you can see, the measurement of the volume is 75 ml. To measure the volume of the solid, which in this case is the sodium chloride, you need to use the graduated cylinder. Measure the liquid first, which is 55 ml. Then as you added the sodium chloride, you can see that the volume increased to 58 ml. Now, subtract the 55 ml from the 58 ml, which makes your sodium chloride's volume to be 3 ml.